This AMG is really unlike any other car that I've ever driven. It drives like it's on a complete cloud, full air ride suspension and sound insulated double pane glass. There's barely any road or any wind noise, and all you get to hear is that insane rumble from the twin turbo V12, which packs an incredible punch. The car is also loaded with Mercedes top-of-the-line technology. It has night vision switch over here. When it is nighttime, you turn that on and your navigation system projects a nighttime image of the front view. It also has full parking sensors, a rear camera, as many power adjustments on the seats as you could possibly think, from lumbar support, power headrests, heated and ventilated seats, and everything you could imagine. And the ride is really what you're paying for with this car. And with an original MSRP of $250,000, you know that Mercedes had to put every single bit of their technology into this car. And with the already powerful bi-turbo V12, the little bit of Renntech tuning that's gone into this gives it that extra bit of performance. Crazy throttle response, and even for a big car, the handling is very nice, just taking some turns. But the Renntech power on this car is so linear, great delivery. Thrusts you back in your seat.